Before we get started, a huge thanks to our sponsor, Mitsubishi Electric. Mitsubishi provides all your heating, cooling, and filtration needs in one system. Today's low-load homes require right-sized equipment that most systems, especially gas-fired, cannot meet. Mitsubishi has low-load, high-efficient heat pumps that dehumidify and cool in the summer and work in reverse to heat in the winter. Going ductless reduces costs and make it even easier to meet many of the Energy Star requirements. Ductless mini splits can now be hidden in many different ways to meet your client's needs, and ducted systems can now be used as well. Ducted systems are also hidden behind the walls to ensure a beautiful space and can be retrofitted right in place of a conventional furnace in an existing single-family or multi-family project. Hyperheat ensures an efficient heat delivery down to -13 degrees, and backup strip heaters kick in during the rare but coldest of cold days. Just launched today, the first set of hyperheating inverter products to be released in 2020. The introduction of these new outdoor units creates an additional 25 systems capable of hyperheating performance when it's really cold out. So check out that. We'll be spreading more information there. And the way it works is each room of a house can be customized, and so can multi-family buildings and commercial buildings with variable refrigerant heating systems with energy recovery built right in. You can heat on one side, cool on the other, just as needed. Go to MitsubishiComfort.com to learn more. And thanks to our second-tier sponsors, Rheem, featuring the Rheem Prestige, an energy-efficient, quiet, and all-electric hybrid heat pump water heater. The future of water heating is finally here. 50, 65, or 80 gallons, all the way up to 3.7 uniform energy factor. In other words, almost over 300% efficiency for these units. With different ducting and ductless systems, depending on your strategies and climate zones, as well as leak detection. Learn more at rheem.com/hybrid savings.
Okay, so phase 5, and I realize I'm pushed for time here, but this phase 5 is this verification period. And this is where we require this 12 months of data to be collected for the building. And we do check in throughout this phase to make sure that everything is kind of going along and to schedule. But this is where you really can see whether your building is performing per your target that you've projected. We pay a verification incentive that is based on whether at the end of these 12 months, your EUI that you have now have kind of real data for is within what your EUI goal is. And there's a certain percentage that we'll pay a verification incentive based on. Okay, so before I open up with questions, I do want to complete with some case studies. So we have 2 projects that are currently in our program. We have a Kalamazoo Nature Center, which is an existing building that is currently in phase 2, I believe, of the program. And we've got a projected target of an EUI, an energy use intensity of 35 kBTU per square foot per year, which is a 31% reduction of savings. This project is really an example of kind of holistic design. They really have investigated a lot of different energy conservation measures over the course of their participation in the program, and that's why they've been able to kind of set that really low EUI goal for their building. And so we're in phase 2, I believe, of the program, and yeah, we really are kind of committed to that project's success. The next case study is West Michigan University Aviation Education Center, another major renovation plus an addition. We're in the phase 3 of the program, and we are projecting an EUI of 40, which is a 51% reduction compared to their baseline energy use. Again, they've also looked at a lot of different energy conservation measures, from ultra efficient envelope to water source heat pumps and interior and exterior LEDs. And they're also achieving or set to achieve a LEED certification for this project. And their commitment to kind of the LEED green building rating system has really helped them in achieving the deliverables for this program as well. It's really set them up for success. And they've been very proactive in implementing kind of these zero net energy concepts and strategies throughout the different phases of the program.
Thanks for watching. Please continue to watch the next part of the session to complete the course and get your continuing education credits. Be sure to check out all of our courses available online that you can watch anytime and anywhere to pick up your CEUs. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube to get weekly updates and stay up to date on green building science courses, webinars, and home tours. Thanks again.